Alright, there's a Tranes Odyssey over there that's running. So I want to get a shot of this. From 2017 to 150,000 BTU, so yeah, it's definitely oversized. Well, not oversized, this place is huge right here. And then all the way over here we have another, that's a carrier chiller that I used to film. This one, it just shut off, I think. There's two compressors. It's an American Standard. So 2010, 150,000 BTU. There's a carrier. Chill all the way over there. Alright, I'm not gonna get close to it, so yeah, I guess. Here are these two units I filmed back, I think in like April or something, but I'm not pretty sure if I can remember that. Here's the Trane XC1000 running. Heating mode. Like barely heating mode, I'm not sure. Okay, it's a 1992 and it's a 1.5 ton. Here's the Odyssey, that's in bad shape. Oh my god, this thing is hot. It's been staying at the sun for hours now. That's a straight cool unit. I just wish it wasn't in bad shape. I feel bad for this unit. It's a 90,000 BTU from 1991. I mean 1992, I'm sorry. Now I'll just shut off. Don't know what kind of compressor that is, but it looks like Climate Tough recip. So, and there's some other air conditioners on that side. Over there. Just gonna show you. There's a Rheem and a really large package unit. The one that's running is the Rheem that's making that noise. So, yeah. And this is where the line set goes. Right up there. So yeah. And over here we got like 3 Tranes Odysseys and a Rheem that I used to film back then, February I think. So I'm not pretty sure if I can remember everything. There's a reversing valve over there and 2 compressors. So it's a 120,000 BTU, 2016. It's a 10 ton. Yeah. There's the reversing valve over there. It's a 10 ton, 2016, 120,000 BTU. And here's the Rheem. It's a compressor. It's a 5 ton, 2017. This is a 13 seer unit. Never seen a Rheem platform being a 13 seer, so. And here's the older Trane. Get a separation video out of these. This is a straight coil unit. This is a 90,000 BTU, 7.5 ton, 1992.